I'm very proud of my house because I did design it. It heavily represents my personality and the things that I'm inspired by, the trips that I take, the artwork that I make, all the little subtle details, and being able to make furniture is even more special to me, that I can bring something that I've made into my home. I'm Aleksandra Zee, and I'm a woodworker. When you walk into my house, there is definitely no other person that could be living here but me. So I didn't want to just buy a coffee table. I didn't want something that I felt like everybody else had. So I kind of looked at this coffee table in my shop, and I put a little elbow grease into it and kind of shined it up a bit, and I absolutely love it. This rough around the edges but also refined look to it, so I feel like it plays with a lot of the things that I've designed in the home. Keeping it shiny is really important, or else it does show signs of age. And so keeping that fresh and conditioned makes the wood look beautiful and it stand out and kind of stay looking like I just made it. The coffee table is a focal point of my living room, and so I am always refreshing it, maybe a vase of flowers or a piece of artwork. It's like a revolving art piece to kind of spark a little bit more creative energy within myself. I love welcoming my friends into my space. It really fills my heart. And so before anybody comes over, I am making sure that everything in my house is looking beautiful, maintaining that shine. And it's almost that when I stand back, it's that my place has been transformed, because I took that little extra minute to just kind of wipe everything down and tidy up. I'd recently found this stunning leather couch, and it is such a focal point of the room. I feel like it grounds the room, and it's what everybody piles on when they come and hang out at my place. It's the piece that gets the most love, because everyone's always on it. By sitting on it and touching it and interacting with it, it definitely gets a bit beat up, and so maintaining its beauty is really important to me. When you run your own business and you kind of are a one-woman show, it's really important to keep that community alive, and so I love having people over. I get to stand back and feel very proud to welcome people into my home and know that it is a comfortable and inviting environment. My me time is definitely my quiet moments of rest, either at the beginning of the day or at the end of the day, where I can just sit, be alone, recenter myself, really just taking a moment to be quiet. And I find myself sitting at my dining table all the time. It's got a beautiful view outside of a garden, and the sunlight comes in. Keeping it clean and keeping it a good workspace and functional space is really important. As an artist, something that is important to me is to always be refreshing my space. When I'm not at my shop, I'm at home dreaming up what I want to create in the shop or having an office day. And so switching things up in my house and keeping it fresh is a way to keep me inspired. And the little things I do make me feel good and make me feel proud of the home that I've made.